Hey guys, sometimes we don't need to go far, just a place where the sea, where we can relax. Guys, I'm in Doon Sikkim Beach now. Napipil ko ang breeze and the waves is nakaka-relax. Time check tayo ngayon. We're in the middle of the conflicts, but today is the first day of the 2 weeks ceasefire in the Gulf. So, ang oras natin ngayon is 11:43 a.m. ng umaga. And the date is May 14, 2026. Life in the Bible has a conflict, but moments like this, it's remind us to slow down. Napakaganda ng tubig. Ayan guys, truly amazing. Nakaka-relax talagang pagmasdan ang paligid at ang tubig. Very safe din guys, nothing to worry. Kasi marami tayong mga lifeguard na nakabantay dito. Guys. May mga police din tayo dito guys. Napakaganda ng mga hotel. Jumeirah Hotel. Meron Wow, mukhang napakaganda ng tubig, napakalinaw, at ang ganda ng alon. Marami na rin naliligo guys. Medyo nasa malayo lang tayo. Wala naman akong food na dala dito. Only foods na. Pero lumalapit sila. Saan kayo pupunta? Hey guys, where are you going? You're leaving because I don't smell food here. Manamang kahit siya dito sa construction. Guys, really beautiful and relaxing. Tingnan nyo naman yung tubig, napaka-clear. Medyo malakas ang alon and it's so nice to hear. Guys, napakalapit lang nito sa aming house. 15 minutes travel by car. So, anytime na gustong pumunta dito, mabilis lang. Guys, ang ganda dito. Guys, maalon. Hirap mag-swim. Guys, as of now, swimming is not allowed because the waves are too strong. Guys, kakausap ko lang sa guard. Sabi nga niya, hindi daw allow kasi medyo malakas ang alon. As you can see naman, medyo delikado daw. So ngayon, magre-relax walking lang muna tayo. Maraming shell. Nahirap maglakad doon. Sa itinaboy na may mga pailan-ilan na nagsasurfing guys kasi nga malakas ang alon. Medyo lessen ang mga nagdi-visit ngayon sa beach guys because of the conflicts in the region. So even though may naman ganito, may mga pumupunta pa rin. And this is the surrounding guys. Malinis, maayos, at maputi ang buhangin. Uwi na tayo guys. May mga stall dito na maayos. Pwede kang bumili ng mga drinks and snacks. Yan, ganda. Biking lane to. Guys, may ginagawang construction. Maybe hotel ride. Pero may nakalagay doon. Meron akong nasisilayan. MCM Resort. Beach Resort. Ano ba yun? Guys, daanan and bike lane. Then, may mga police station tayo doon, nagbabantay sa atin. Nagbabantay sa peace and safety ng mga bumibisit dito. Bike lane na. Yan, etong diretsong to is bike lane. And then, yung green na yun is walking path, walkable, jogging. The bay is very clean. Clean city. Lalo na yung mga tourist spot. So pretty and inviting. Ang swerte ng mga bahay-bahay dito. Lucky these houses. They don't have to travel. They are just here. You just go outside and then there you go. You can access the beach for free. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Cargo. Ayun, kulay puti. Pauwi na tayo. Guys, nasa car na tayo and uuwi na. So, mga 15 minutes lang ang travel dito sa beach from home. So, bye for now guys. See you later.